Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to test the machine gun. It's explosive, we said, so we're going to test it with the Panzer III. Let's go. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Where is he? Yeah, there he is. Let's look at it. Yeah. Wait. I want to tell him to shoot. It's going to need a few tries because, you know, it's very fast, so... Oh, whoa! There goes my tank, like... Damn! That's explosive. Wait, I'm gonna ask him if we can use show mechanic? Question mark. Can you show mechanic? Okay. Let's... Oh, it comes down from here. Oh! Oh my... What's this? Wait. What's this? Oh, okay, what's this? Okay. Wait, I'm asking, what's this for? Oh, okay, I guess. I'ma look at it. Oh, it's... I know. Wait, can I shoot it? Can I shoot it? Question mark. Can I shoot it? What? Oh yeah, he's reloading it. What's this? I'm out. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's kind of weird though. I'll ask him why does he do, why does it, I can't do English. Why does he, what, okay, why does it do that? Why does it do that? Yeah, the last video I did it like dark, a little bit a dark voice, but I mean you can decide if you like it. If not, then yeah, just comment or do anything else. Why does it only shoot? Oh, okay. apparently is somehow bugged. Oh. Bruh. Okay, timer. Let's look at a bit. Oh. Ouch. What? Oh, what? No, I can't. Oh, I can't. Wait, I'm not joining his team. Oh, wait, no. Wait, I'm gonna get in his team. Bro, attack me. Okay, I'm in. It's this other guy. Okay. Go and try. Oh yeah, okay, it kinda works. But like, what? Okay. Wait, I wanna ask him how many shots it has. How much ammo? How much ammo has it? Oh, so okay, now that we're back, he's going to count the ammo real quick because I kind of want to know. Second. Anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, I kind of got some mouse. If you want to see it, then just comment because I don't know. If you want to see it, just comment something and say like, I want to see the mouse. Okay, that's about 74 rounds, right? But okay. Okay. I mean, I think it would be the strongest. Can kill any like tank. So I think it's kind of strong. Anyways, bye bye guys.